don't lose money when buy land because they bought the wrong land, but because they missed one of these steps. If you're looking forward to acquire a property here in city of Asaba, there are a few steps that will guide you for making a costly mistake. And the first one is your purpose. Are you buying it for land banking, for agro investment, for buy and build, commercial activities? Because it's your purpose that will determine your budget and also the right location for you. And the second thing that will guide you is for you to choose the right location. Choose location with good accessibility. Choose a location with future growth potential. Don't just rush to a place that is already developed, because the price of that place that you want to buy might be overpriced. You might not have the money to buy it. Choose a place that has future growth potential, that is developing, just like Abaono, Olodo, and Ibozo. This place, you still have high chances of buying a property as low as 10 million naira, 3 million naira, 1 million naira. And the third thing that you should do is that verify all documents. As for the survey plan, the title document like CFO, governor's consent. As for the deed of conveyance or assignment, depending on the one that the company is issuing. I'd always tell you guys that the best place to inspect or to verify your survey plan is at the Survey General's office for that state. That's where you verify your survey plan. Then for your deed of assignment, you go to the state land registry for that state that you want to buy that land. And the fourth thing that you should do is that do your due diligence. Confirm who really owns this land. Is it free from any government eco practice or dispute? Because your realtor might not have the opportunity to tell you if this land is actually having any issue or not. So you that buy the land, make sure that you do your due diligence. Know the actual owner of that property, if it's a family land, estate land, or any land that you want to buy. And the final thing that you should do that will guide you is to use a traceable payment method. Don't just transfer money randomly. Don't just transfer money to personal account or to your realtor's account. No, make sure that you transfer money to a traceable app or method that can easily identify if there's any issue, or transfer it directly to that company's account so that they can give you official receipt plan for that property that you bought. So it's these 5 steps that will guide you from making a costly mistake if you want to buy land, not just in city of Asaba, but anywhere you want to buy land. So make sure you do your due diligence, know your purpose, confirm the location that you want to buy, and this will actually help you. And if you are looking for a property in one of these developing locations that I just mentioned, like in Abolo, we have a property for you that's behind a nursing school, so Wasta College of Nursing Science. We'll actually have 2 properties there. One is going for 3 million naira, which is city of David, but with initial deposit of 1 million naira, you can secure a plot there, then pay off the remaining money within 2 months with no interest. Then if you want the one that is behind the city of David, Ishilo Gardens, with just now 50,000 naira, you can make initial deposit, and within 2 months you pay the remaining money with no interest. And if you still want a property that is less than 1 million naira in a developing area, then I would recommend you to buy from Olodo. And we'll have a property there that is Pans Republic with just less than 1 million naira. You can secure a plot there. So do well to reach out to me immediately you see this video. Let's do. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the notification button and also to subscribe, because I'll be dropping more real estate insights, investment opportunities here in city of Asaba and also in Abuja. So DM me right now. Let me help you secure as many plots as you want, be it for agro purposes, for land banking, for buy and build, for commercial activities. I got it covered. So DM me right now. Let's do.